One of the biggest fears men who are wearing hair system उनको होता है कि what if their girl or what if their partner gets to know कि वो hair system पहन रहे हैं. A lot of men come to us and they are wearing these hair systems and they always have that fear या वो hair system consider करें लेकिन उनमें एक डर होता है कि what if their girlfriend gets to know कि hair system पहना है, उनको लगेगा that girl may not like it, उनको पसंद नहीं आएगा या फिर उनको लगेगा कि अरे इन्होंने बताया नहीं पहले. So lot of these thoughts they are unable to take that step. उन्हें लगता है कि अगर उनको पता चलेगा तो बहुत बड़ा इशू हो जाएगा and they will react differently. वो लोग बोलेंगे क्या पहना है तूने, क्या तूने विग पहना है, बहुत सारा डर रहता है. So हमने क्या किया, एक बेसिक सर्वे किया. We tried to ask a few girls, some college students, some women that अगर आपको पता चलता है that your guy is wearing a hair system, so how will you react? हमने उन्हें ये भी पूछा क्या प्रेफर करते हो, men who have lesser hair or men who basically are wearing a hair system. So we gave these options and let's see some fun reactions.
Will you date a guy जिनको hair loss की problem है? ठीक है.
नहीं, yeah that's okay. नहीं करूँ. Yes, I don't mind.
Will you date a guy जिन्होंने hair patch पहना है?
चलेगा. चलेगा. Yeah, I think that's not a problem.
अभी मैं आपको फोटो दिखाता हूँ. आपको रेट करना है, ठीक है? रुको.
3, 4, 8, 5, 4 or 5, 10.
After watching this, tell us your opinion on this hair patch.
जब तक उनको comfortable लग रहा, जब तक उनको वो चाहिए कि हाँ, if that old look is making them uncomfortable or not okay with their body, good for them. पहनना चाहिए, like confidence मिलेगा उनको तो obviously they should go for it. I feel insecurity, like I mean even if you wear it, you'll have it, like that is something you will have to deal anyway. So, I mean, it's your choice. If you are comfortable enough, then go for it. It's your choice.
Well, the goal was very clear. Basically, see, आप शायद women के पास जाके ये सवाल कभी नहीं पूछोगे, right? हमने ये सर्वे किया to find out how do women react. अगर उन्हें एक option दिया जाए, they are entering with somebody who has hair loss और जहाँ पे sides और back पे उनको hair लेकिन ऊपर density कम है, and option B, a hair with hair system, but if they are looking natural, how would they react to it? Well, like you saw the reaction, women were absolutely comfortable with men who are wearing hair system. ये myth है, आप में ये डर है कि women generally will not accept. Women are very progressive. वो बहुत open minded है और जैसे आपने देखा वो बहुत open थे. ठीक है, अगर hair system पहना है तो क्या हुआ? See, end of the day you have to understand that women also want you to look good. जैसे आप चाहते हो कि आपकी girlfriend good looking हो, beautiful हो, उनके बाल अच्छे हो, she should look good, she should dress up well. That's exactly how women also want. It is your responsibility. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप भी आपका ख्याल रखें in terms of fitness. हम सिर्फ बाल की बात नहीं करें, हम चाहते हैं you put in that effort to look good, to take care of yourself, to dress up well, and of course आज आपको अगर option है कि अगर आप hair system पहन के आपका confidence better होता है और your girlfriend will also feel good about it if your hair is looking good. That's the whole idea. Please अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं hair system पहनूंगा और girlfriend को पता चल जाएगा तो वो कैसे react करेगी, या आपको ऐसा लग रहा है women are not comfortable, ऐसा नहीं है. Women have always been used to this artificial beauty. A woman would put makeup, अगर उनके eyes small है वो makeup लगा दे के eyes बड़ा दिख सके. Lips thin है तो they'll shape it up in a way ताकि वो lips बड़े लग सके. Nail extension, they do a lot to look good. तो ये दिमाग से निकाल दीजिए कि अगर आप hair system पहने हो तो वो artificial लगेगा. आपको ये देखना है कि वो खुद भी बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं artificially to make themselves look good. So it's absolutely fine. So start taking care of yourself and get out of that myth कि your girlfriend will not be okay with it. It's absolutely fine if you're wearing a hair system. ऐसे कुछ सवाल अगर आपको है that you know you want to ask a woman about a hair system and you are uncomfortable to ask, आप नीचे comment box में comment कर सकते हो and we'll try to understand these questions and we'll try to make another survey ताकि आपको पता चल सके how do girls react to these kind of situations. And please subscribe to American Hairline, and if you know anybody who's going through the similar hair loss and अगर आपको लगता है ये वीडियो value add करेगा तो please share with someone who may need it. Thank you so much.